Welcome to Tiny Time with M&M. Let's take a look at some project updates. Our first project update is about the hard pipe sewer video from episode 3. And as you can see in the video clips, we went back and painted the white sewer pipe black in order to match the color of the underpinning. And especially, when you're driving by the camper or pulling into the camper, this makes the sewer pipe just disappear into the background.
Now that we have the insulation boards around the camper for the underpinning, it left us with a little bit of a dilemma. Well, how do we access the valves to be able to dump the tanks? So we come up with this little idea to cut some little 4-inch square holes in the foam board that would give us access to the handles or access to the valves. And so I decided to get these little handles, plastic cabinet handles, some long screws and washers, so that we could have just an easy access to the sewer tank valves.
We added a few last finishing touches of insulation around the septic valves and around the tires and a few other places. A little bit of pea gravel just to add a little bit of extra seal around the bottom before we get to our patio project. And then, we found out one morning that wood stairs definitely need a little bit of stair tread, so we did come back on, we didn't do a video on the stair project, but we came back and added some tread onto the stairs just to, keep me from falling out of the camper and landing on my head. Update about the temperature. The temperature thing is working really great. Again, it's staying about 45 degrees in the underpinning area, even when it's really super cold outside. And then, as you can see in this last video across the back of our camper, we just really think it looks great. Septic disappears into the background. Seams all look good. A little bit of paint touch up maybe in the spring. And we're just really pleased about how these first projects have turned out. Stay tuned for our next video where we will show you how we winterized our camper windows. See you soon!